You're probably wondering if the Mototec 60v is worth buying? Well, we can see in today's video. Well, here it is. Let's take it out.
The Mototec 60v. People say this bike is cheap, but I don't think it's cheap. So you're probably wondering if I should buy it because a lot of people say it's kind of bad, but I don't think it's that bad. And if you see other people's review, there's not many reviews on Mototec 60v. They like it. But that speed, they kind of lied to you with the speed. So it says they go 40 miles per hour, but I did a speed test, and I weighed 90 pounds and pretty light. I got topped out at 36 miles per hour. So it's a lie, I guess. But let's ride around so we can show you it. A wheelie wheelie progression. Yeah, it's really good. We got a hill climb test right here. Full throttle, go. Easy. That was easy. Hit a little jump. Woo, we're going quick. Woo, brake. That was sweet. So is this thing good for jumps? It's good, really good. Suspension is great, but it's good. A little jump? Yeah, I kind of hit the jump. It was not that big though. Start. Is it worth buying? I would say yes, because it's a really great bike for the price. If you're wondering what the price is, it's $1,216, and with tax, it's probably about $1,250. Another hill, you can just go right up it, and it's fully charged battery, and they're already down to low bars. The thing that a lot of people say that's bad about this bike is the range. People say the range sucks, but I didn't even fully charge this thing. It was about like 30 minutes to make it fully charged. And a lot of people are probably wondering, should I get the Tudu or the Mototec? Because stay tuned, because I'm gonna make a full video about who's better, Tudu versus the Mototec, because I know you guys want to see the Tudu. Which one should you get, Tudu or the Mototec? If you're looking for acceleration, then get the Mototec. Way faster acceleration. I know you can get like Bluetooth dongle, and you can go like 45 miles per hour with that, with the Bluetooth dongle, but the acceleration kind of sucks in the Tudu. I tried putting a controller on the 60v one, and it did not work because this bar right here is full of wires. No wires are open, so you can't get to them. So good luck, Led Fox, because I know he wants to put the controller in the Mototec 60v. I know you guys, some people are from Ridstar. I have a Ridstar. And you're probably thinking, should I get the Ridstar or the Mototec? Definitely Mototec. Faster, and I think it's the same price. Faster and more acceleration. And if you're looking for a lot of, like, in the trails, get this. The Ridstar is more like, just like cruising around the neighborhood. This is more like in the dirt bike trails. I bet it's kind of hard to see or hear me because it's so windy out here. Tornadoes come in around like when I go to bed, so you might have to go on our thing. But it's kind of cool riding. And no, it's kind of cool riding in the freaking wind. It's cool, right? Here, I think I remember this. Oh dang, I was just led up to a trail. One thing about this that people don't like, well, I never heard nobody say it, but I bet people don't like it. If you ride this on the street, it's very bumpy. Because this bike is meant for dirt bike trails and stuff. But If you ride on the street, a little bit bumpy, unless you get new tires, like supermoto tires, which a lot of people do for the Tudo and the Mototec. We're gonna go pretty fast on right here. Oh my god, that was quick right there on the little jump up here. I actually hit this with the Ridstar and it went flying. That was pretty high. Barely got off the ground though. Which one's better for jumps? Tudo or Mototec? I know this video is about Mototec, but we have to add Tudo because a lot of people want about that. So people still think this bike isn't durable because it's so cheap. Like here's an example, ETM RTR is $3,000 and that only has a little bit more kilowatts than, well not a little bit more, it's actually a lot more, but I think I would make a custom build for 8 kilowatts like this and I'll get this thing to go like 55 miles per hour under $3,000. See if I can hit this jump up here. We're going so fast! Oh, I'm gonna hit the jump. Here we go. That was not high. That was higher than, whoa, brakes are so good. Another thing people like about it, brakes are really good. Like the 72 volt, the 72 brakes are 72 volt. And there's a 72 volt. Like, what the heck is that? Oh. And there's a 72 volt that you can go with it. And that is actually the cheapest 72 volt I ever seen. $2,000 for 50 miles per hour. That's insane, right? Range on this is about 15 miles. 15 to 20 miles on this. Unless you're going full speed, like 15 miles, just cruising around. About 20 miles, yeah. This thing has great traction, I know, right? This thing has great traction because you can't really slip out for some reason. Well, I know because there's probably dirt tires on it. That's the reason why. But right now I'm just cruising. I feel a little bump in the seat. It's not just because when I think. I feel a little bump in the seat when I'm just cruising around. I'm actually gonna do a quick speed test right now. Go. I'm at speed right now. Yeah. Let me get up to there. I didn't have enough room because there's people walking. 36. Yeah, I knew that was 36. Oh, the only thing, yeah, Lead Fox, I don't know how you're gonna do that. Put the new controller in there. That's like a whole new level if you can do that. Because you would have to saw this off because all the wires are in here. But for the 48 volt, you don't need to do that because all the wires are under here and they're all out. You don't have to do a big hill, dang. See if I can hit a little jump when I go up here. That was okay. We made it home. Let's just do a quick rev. And put it up there. Plug this thing in. And that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. And you should probably get the Mototec. Pretty good bike. See ya.